As the leading ultrasound education provider, we understand how difficult it is to obtain your required CME credits. Whether you're a new graduate, seasoned sonographer, or a clinician, it is crucial to maintain your skills and certification to deliver the highest quality patient care. Wouldn't it be great if there's one CME product with no membership to sign up for that was 100% online, where the content is current, engaging, quick, and easy, all while offering the best value to satisfy your CME credit requirement? We think so too. With that in mind, we're proud to announce our latest feature from Gulfcoast Ultrasound Institute, the GCUS CME Vitals Access Pass. With the CME Vitals Access Pass, you'll receive 12 months unlimited access from the time of your purchase to over 80 CME Vitals, which are short, interactive, accredited, 1-hour CME activities. With that many current Vitals covering a wide range of specialty applications and new ones being added each month, this is more than enough to meet all of your CME requirements. Learn the latest in ultrasound technology, trending topics, best practices, and technical tips and tricks with our interactive CME Vitals, complete with high-resolution images, high-definition video clips, and expert instruction. All digital GCUS CME activities are found in your GCUS.com account under My Activities and organized by product type. These products are hosted in our convenient and easy-to-use learning management system. Newly added this year to the learning management system is the GCUS CME Vault. Here you'll have instant and ongoing access to all of your completed online CME certificates by date. With 1 year unlimited access from the purchase date, you could potentially take care of 2 triennium cycles with 1 GCUS CME Access Pass. Let me say that again. 1 GCUS CME Access Pass has the potential of satisfying 2 triennium cycles if the 12 months of unlimited access is valid over both triennium cycles. The GCUS CME Access Pass is designed for you to complete your required CME credits at your leisure, anywhere, anytime, on any internet-enabled device. The daunting, stressful days of obtaining your required CME credits are finally over. Take advantage of our limited-time introductory offer, which breaks down to just over 50 cents a day, and see for yourself why GCUS has been the leading CME provider since 1985.